Everybody, it's Cooking, and today I'm going to be playing with some slime. That's why there's slime on this table. I might use this table more often because it's super good. And it's slime, so it's going to make noise. And besides, it's I'm making a video. Wait a minute. Well, so yeah. Yeah? Okay, wait a minute, guys. Just adore the beautiful glory of the light. No. Sorry. But see my camera, sister and my mom. So this is the end of the video. So bye everybody.